How to fix date and time set automatically is grayed out on the iPhone iOS 26. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now in here, a number of things that can cause the date and time is being grayed out is the content and privacy restriction. Sometimes if you go down and tap on Location Services, if it is set to Don't Allow Changes, make sure it is set to Allow Changes and put in your passcode. Okay, so that is one of the things that you may want to check. And then another thing is if it does not work, you may want to turn off content and privacy restriction and then go back into Settings, then tap on General, then tap on Date and Time and see if that fixes the problem. If it does not still fix the problem, then we go back to Screen Time. So go down to Screen Time. In here, check to see if there is a Screen Time passcode. If it is turned on, you need to switch it off. So tap on Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Put in your current Screen Time passcode. And then we go back to General. Then we go down and tap on Date and Time. And now you can see we can now manually turn on or turn off, set automatically. It is not being grayed out anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.